Hello everyone, this is Team Aventra and we welcome you to the revamped version of Unified E-Waste Management Platform. So here it is how it works. So the manufacturers can register their product and get a unique QR which the customer can scan and check for the recycling request, which the recycler can further accept and process the request, while the government on board monitors and certifies the manufacturers. So let's dive into manufacturer's dashboard, where we can see the products which the manufacturer have created and also their products which have been recycled. There is an option to create a product where the manufacturer can enter their details, or else for a bulk production they can create and upload their CSV file. And next is a very key feature where the manufacturers can enter the employee name and their email ID, who can access the dashboard on the behalf of the manufacturers. After sending invitation, the employees will get an email like this where they'll get their temporary password to log in. Next, if we see the customer's dashboard, here we can see the product scanned by the consumers, after which the consumers can send a request to the recycler based on their location and the return value. On these requests, the recycler takes the call and the customer is then notified with each step the recycler takes for the further processing. That is from accepting the request, initiating recycle, and hence completing the process. Next, we can see the recycler's dashboard here, where the recyclers, based on their capacity to recycle, can choose the product and they can further explore the manufacturers and their different products, and they can add that product in their recycling capacity. And below this, they get the recycling requests which the customer have sent to them, and based on their recycling capacity and the product details, they can accept or reject the recycling request, which will then reflect on their query status, where they can see their rejected recycling queries and for the product for which they have finished the recycling. They also get an option to give them a reason for rejecting it, and this thing will then be sent to the customers to inform about the same. And the next, we have the government's dashboard, where we can see the certification requests by the manufacturers and the approved manufacturers, ensuring only authentic manufacturers to be on board, hence making it a complete circular economy. Further, our key thing which we have introduced here is a desktop version where the UEMP is also available as a modern web app, also as the downloadable desktop app. The desktop version is packaged using Electron, where the users can install and use the platform on Windows without any browser. Next, we have a Gemini powered chatbot which have been introduced in the platform for the customer's ease, and that's how we play our part in reducing some amount from the millions of tons of e-waste being discarded every year. We are not just a user-centric platform, we are ready to make real world impact. So that's all for today. Thank you.